Hi guys, today I have an amazing banana ice cream recipe. It's ginger flavored banana ice cream. I'm gonna use frozen bananas for it. I pre-cut them so the food processor can easily process the bananas into creamy, amazing ice cream. I'm gonna add some ginger. I prefer ginger powder. It's easier to mix with the bananas, but you can also use grated fresh ginger. Mix it for a couple of seconds and you have the most amazing, creamy, delicious ice cream. Enjoy your ginger flavored banana ice cream recipe, and if you need the written recipe, it's as always on rawsmyreligion.com. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys.